Administrative reports can be downloaded from various admin windows in Stratum.Viewer. The Excel reports help you keep tabs on activity in your environment, supplying insightful details like which views get the most use and how recently users have logged in to use Stratum. Let's look at a few reports. From this view list window, get a summary report of basic details about all views. It's an inventory of all views in your environment. Opening the downloaded report lets you see information such as the description of each view, their assigned view group, if they're used with actions, and who last used or last updated them. An example takeaway from this report is knowing what views have or haven't been used recently. Think about whether underutilized views should be deleted or are worth keeping. Those you keep may need to be promoted to users to increase the view's use. Track historical details about view usage from this other type of report. The view usage report can be run from the view list or view monitor window. It's a day-by-day log of recently used views that answers questions like how many views were accessed on a certain date, how many folks were using the same view on a given day, or what was the time a view started then ended running when someone accessed it. Or you could use filter features in Excel to look at usage details for a single view or user. Other details tell you where view data was accessed from, such as viewer or somewhere else like a Power BI dashboard. Administrators control how many days of usage records show up in these reports. While managing roles from the role window, administrators can get a report to monitor how data access is set up for users. Filtering tools allow for report customization. Use them to control how much information and what type is contained in a role report. For example, look up details for one role only or for one measure across a few different roles. I generated a report for one role, and here's the downloaded results. First, the basic details are shown, like how many users are assigned to this role. The second worksheet tells me more about the users. 2 users belonging to a shared user profile group are associated with the role. On the last 2 worksheets, rows of dimension and measure access details are repeated by each user assigned to the role. Here's dimension info listed by Amy, the first user. It's repeated again for the next user's part of the worksheet. Details in this section indicate there are some restrictions over the sales director and ship-to-region data that the 2 users are allowed to access. The measure worksheet summarizes the access type granted to role users for each measure, telling me which ones are enabled for general use and if the role allows users to update any measures with Stratum planning features. For example, the budget info in this section shows that role users can view all budget data but only make planning updates to a couple of the budget measures. Other reports focus on user profiles, view groups, actions, broadcast schedules, and broadcast groups. Use the relevant one to answer questions like who has or hasn't been logging in to use Stratum recently, what views and user links are attached to each view group, and which users will receive broadcasted results from Stratum actions. To learn more about admin reports, explore the Stratum Admin Reports section of Viewer Help. Additional resources about Silvon products are on the Silvon website and its customer net knowledge base.